Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you connect two Verizon Fios routers. So here's a guide for your MoCA, Ethernet bridge and access point mode. Method 1, Ethernet connection, which is the most recommended one. Step 1, connect an Ethernet cable from a LAN port on the primary Fios router to a LAN port on the second Fios router. Step 2, log in to second router's admin page. Step 3, disable DHCP server on the second router. Step 4, assign the second router a unique IP address on the same subnet. For example, if router 1 is 192.168.1.1, set router 2 to 192.168.1.2. Step 5, set the second router to bridge mode or access point mode if available. Step 6, configure the Wi-Fi. Use the same Wi-Fi name and password for seamless roaming or use a different name if you want separate networks. Step 7, save the settings and reboot both the routers. Method 2, coax MoCA connection. Step 1, connect both routers to active coax outlets. Step 2, enable bridge or access point functionality on the second router. Step 3, disable DHCP on the second router. Step 4, give the second router a different LAN IP address. Step 5, save and restart. Verizon Community Guidance notes that a bridged Fios router can be connected to another Fios router using either coax or Ethernet. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.